Isang pinagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Tayo po'y magninilay sa salita ng Diyos, ang pinagmumulan ng awa ng ating buhay, ang salitawa. Today, my dear brothers and sisters, we celebrate the Feast of Santo Niño, the Holy Child Jesus, who is very close to the heart of Filipinos because of the profound significance of this image in our faith. Every third Sunday of January, we have the privilege to celebrate this feast in our church in the Philippines. When we look at the image of the Santo Niño, we see a child, a small, gentle, and approachable. Yet in his tiny hands, he holds the world. He is a king who comes to us as a child. The prophet Isaiah gives us several images of this child: Wonder Counselor, God Hero, Father forever, and Prince of Peace. This child comes as a light for us who are walking in darkness. The titles given to this child depict that God's power comes through humility and that true strength is born in gentleness and compassion. Hindi masusukat ang lakas sa tapang-tapangan at paninindak. Duwag lang ang gumagawa nito. Our second reading from the letter of St. Paul to the Ephesians reminds us that in Christ we have become adopted children of the Father. Ito ang lalim ng debosyon natin kay Santo Niño. Hindi lamang tayo binibigyan ng imahe ng Diyos na malapit sa puso natin, bagkus ipinaparanas sa atin na mahal tayo ng anak ng Diyos. Our devotion to the Santo Niño is a great reminder for us that our identity and dignity come from our being children of God, not from our achievements, titles, successes, and least of all, what others say or tell about us. In the Gospel, Jesus makes it even clearer for us the point of being childlike as children of God. When his disciples ask about greatness, he places a child in their midst. And he says, "Unless you become like children, you will not enter the kingdom of heaven." Here Jesus wants us to learn the value of being childlike, to depend on God with confidence. Bilang mga anak ng Diyos, nawa may pananampalataya tayo, lumapit sa Diyos na may kababaang loob at pagtitiwala sa Kanya. Friends, the Feast of Santo Niño invites us to allow the light of Christ to scatter the darkness in our lives, to remember our identity as children of God, and to imitate the humility of a child who depends with confidence on God. Viva Pit Señor! Muli isang pinagpalang araw sa inyong lahat.